Today we're checking out the RockJam RJ549, a super compact 49-key portable keyboard that comes as a complete starter kit. Just plug in and play. It's perfect if you've got limited space, want to test the piano waters, or need a fun learning tool for kids. With its built-in speakers and straightforward controls, you'll be making music in seconds. Key features and specifications. The RJ549 sports 49 full-size, spring-action keys along with 10 instrument voices, 10 rhythm patterns, and 8 demo songs to spark your creativity. It includes a power supply, sheet music stand, piano note stickers for easy learning, an exclusive Simply Piano app lessons to guide you step by step. There's also a headphone jack for silent practice. Measuring just 69.8 by 23.5 by 8.4 centimeters and weighing about 1.66 kilograms, it really lives up to its portable billing. Price. Right now, you can grab the RJ549 bundle on for around $79.99. with occasional use like new offers dipping to about $69.17. Great value for a turnkey setup. Pros and cons. On the plus side, users love the all-in-one package. The stickers, stand, and app lessons make learning intuitive, and the compact size fits anywhere. On the downside, the unweighted keys feel springy, the tiny speakers sound a bit tinny at high volume, and advanced players may crave a fuller key range. Customer review summary. With over 10,200 ratings averaging 4.4 out of 5 stars, buyers overwhelmingly praise its value, ease of setup, and how quickly beginners can start playing. A few folks mention occasional quality control hiccups, stiff keys or loose stands, but most agree it's a terrific starter instrument. Should you buy it or not? If you're dipping your toes into piano playing or want a fun, budget-friendly learning tool for kids, the RockJam RJ549 is a no-brainer. However, if you need weighted action, powerful speakers, or a wider note range, you might consider stepping up to a larger model down the road. For absolute beginners and space-savvy players, though, this bundle truly hits the right note.